Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. We got her together real nice and easy. It really wasn't a lot that I had to do. A lot of this was personal choice. So, you know, if you want to wear this unit out the pack, you can definitely do that. Just spray her down with some water, add some mousse, and go head out the door. Let her air dry. You can definitely wear this unit glueless, as I showed you. The lace blends down really well, even outside. So, you know, that's always a plus. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, the color is gorgeous. Like I said, the color on the website looks a little bit brighter and a lot more chunkier when it comes to the blonde highlight. This looks very much Sunkissed. So I do like that a lot more. You can definitely do an upstyle if you choose to. I will not today because I feel like this just gives me the look that I'm looking for. Well, wait. Yeah, half up, half down was calling me, so we did it really quick. This is what a hairline looks like when you put a little effort into it. Liking the color even more in the upstyle. It just gives me a very effortless type of look. And guess what? That man has been holding that card. Clink, clink.